Are you a gamer, or are you currently looking for a new chair to replace your old chair for your home office? On today's video, we have listed some best gaming chair in 2020. Secretlab Titan. This gaming chair from Secretlab is decorated with fabric and extremely plush padding. This gaming chair also comes with larger seat, subdued molding, and built-in lumbar support, which makes it unique than those gaming chairs you mostly find in the market nowadays. Noblechairs epic real leather. This gaming chair is packed with cross-thatched embroidery and real leather. It is also quick and easy to set up. Once the setup is complete, you can customize your positions. However, you can also choose the synthetic if you want to save some money. Autonomous ErgoChair 2. This Autonomous ErgoChair 2 is sold as an office chair, but it can also be used as a gaming chair too. It has very modern and stylish aesthetic that can fit any room in your home. If you are not a fan of typical RGB gaming chair, you might want to consider buying this Autonomous ErgoChair 2. Secretlab Omega 2020. This gaming chair comes with a head pillow and a lumbar pillow along with metal support on the armrest. Thus, you can just go straight to napping for a couple of hours after having your gaming session. Noblechairs Hero Gaming Chair Black Edition. This gaming chair is quite large and easily adjustable. It also comes with a premium design that is stylish and understated. Sadly, this gaming chair is not as cushioned as other chairs on this list, which might make some people find it a bit too firm. Corsair T2 Red Barrier. This Corsair T2 Red Barrier gaming chair is covered in breathable PU leather. It also comes with neck and lumbar pillows wrapped in microfiber. You can also move this gaming chair around on any surface without boring to scratching up your floor. Noblechairs Icon Gaming Chair. This affordable gaming chair is quite comfortable and is one of the best PC gaming chairs in the market today. This gaming chair also comes with nice lumbar pillow that is removable.